Reconnaissance countermeasures are the measures or actions taken to counter or offset information disclosure. We are going to list just a few of them. Now, you should look at configuring routers to restrict the responses to footprinting requests. So you have to have a mechanism to identify footprinting requests. Use firewalls to block the ports to prevent unauthorized scans of the ports.
Most importantly, publish exactly what you want to publish and nothing more. Don't publish anything that could be used inadvertently by attackers. Keep only the services that are required and disable the unnecessary services. And prevent search engines from caching a web page and using anonymous registration services.
Right. In addition, you need to configure your web servers to avoid information leakage and disable unwanted protocols. Use an IDS that can be configured to refuse suspicious traffic and pick up footprinting patterns. Carry out a footprinting exercise and remove any sensitive information found. Now, ideally, you should keep trying to find out vulnerabilities periodically and work toward fixing them. But make sure that you have security policies to regulate information that employees can reveal to third parties, but more importantly, enforce them. Keep the internal DNS and external DNS separate, and disable directory listings and use split DNS. This is one way to avoid easier footprinting. Another thing you need to do is educate your employees about various social engineering tricks and risks.
Restrict unexpected input by having proper validations. Avoid domain-level cross-linking for critical assets. Encrypt and password protect sensitive information. Do not enable protocols that are not required. Also, use the TCP/IP and IPsec filters. Configure IIS against banner grabbing.
Yeah, really, Robin, we could go on and on listing all of these countermeasures, right? But it's important that you have a strategy in place to test your environment periodically and ensure the vulnerabilities identified are addressed based on business and security priorities, ones that you set up.